The sunset I see, the flower I smell, the thunder I hear, the clouds that move tells me your story. The fragrance of soil, the blow of the branches, the falling of flowers, the shadow of the tree narrates your journey. The taste of the fruits, the blossoms of flowers, the seed generations, the sky vapors speaks about your growth. The breach of air, the shining moon of night, the sparkling bright of sun, the sweet sound of rain calls me to mix in that heaven. I love you, nature. Your land is my bed. Your air is my blanket. Your sky is my room. And your stars are my cameras. Your beauty is undefined. Your creativity is marvelous. Your story is unique. Your growth is an upliftment. And your love is passionate. You don't need to change for anyone. You are the ultimate attraction for anyone. You are the strategy of life. And you are the end of the world. Nature, you are the beauty whose defineness is different from anyone.